Hello everybody, welcome back to our lesson of Microsoft Access. Today we will learn about queries. So a database query, it's a request for data from a database. Usually the request is to retrieve some data. However, data can also be manipulated using these queries. Let's see how. So let's start opening Microsoft Access from the Start button. Here we go. And instead of opening a new blank database, we will use the one that we created last time, which is Book and Authors. So we have here our two tables, Authors and Books. And we need to create a query that retrieves data from both tables. So we go on Create, Query Wizard, and we need to create a simple query. So let's click on OK. And here we can see all the tables that we created until now in this database. In our case, there are just two, Authors and Book. So from Authors, we can pick fields that we need. We can put them all together or take them off or put again how we want. And also from Books. So we have all the fields that we need all in here. So let's click on Next. And now we can choose if we want a query with all the fields, with all the records and the fields that we have, or just a summary. In our case, let's show everything so we can play around with them. Let's open what we created. Here we can put another name if we want. And let's click on Finish. And here we go. So here, as you can see, we have the first name, the last name. They're a little bit messed up. We can choose to move them around. So let's put first name here, last name here. Then we have the title and the price. We can also hide some of the fields. Just click on the top here with the right button, and then with the left, hide fields. We can hide also this one, since we don't need to use the IDs. And here we go. So when we need to view all the books, we have the title, the price, first name, and last name. If we need to add another book, we just add it here. The title, so book name, then the price, which will be $45 for example, and then the first name and the last name of the author, which in my case, since I don't have so much fantasy, I can use mine. So Dominic Minischetti. Here we go. Now, if we click on the table Authors, we will see this new author, which is me. And if we go on Books, we have the new book name, $45. Thank you so much for your attention. We can close our application. Let's save everything and see you next time.